Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I am fine.
What is your name?
My name is Amasi.
In which class do you read?
I read in class 8.
Okay. Tahan, tell the letter K.
Take a kite.
Okay. Tell the letter G.
Take a kite.
G.
Take a grace.
Okay. Tell the letter F.
Puppy. Puppy.
Letter M.
Melon.
Letter R. Letter B.
Big bubble. Big bubble.
Thank you, Tahan.